And I'm standing on Lookout Mountain. This is in Arizona and Prescott Valley. And yeah, I just want to talk to you guys today about Galatians 5:6. And Galatians 5:6 is really an important target for us who have faith in Jesus. And it says, in the end, the only thing that matters is faith expressing itself through love. Now, by itself, it seems trivial. You can read right past it. It's not a big deal. But I'm telling you, in archery, they say aim small, miss small. This is a clear target. You can get bogged down with tons of stuff in the scripture, you know, trying to heal yourself and sanctify yourself and make yourself a better Christian and put yourself back under law and then drag yourself back into grace and the whole thing. But knowing a clear target can help you wade through that whole process as you're going through warfare, confusion of the enemy. When you have a clear target, a clear mandate, you can at least look when you're hitting it. Paul, when he was writing, he was always writing to the church saying, man, I'm amazed at your faith and your love. And I know you're going to do it even more, and I'm just going to encourage that anytime I can. And I'm bragging about you everywhere. So he was bragging and complimenting their faith and their love. And so that's what we're getting together in small groups. That's what we're trying to encourage. This tight target. Faith expressing itself through love. Hey, thanks, guys. See you next time.